Align the screw holes in the riser card with the corresponding ones in the bracket. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the riser card to the bracket. Reconnect the cables to the PCIe adapters. Reinstall the PCIe adapters on the riser card. Align the plastic clip and the 2 pins on the bracket with the guide pin and holes on the chassis, and also align the riser card with the riser slots on the system board. Carefully press the riser assembly straight down into the slot until it is fully seated. Install the top cover.